Hello peeps! Here's a test how to make a preppy softie avatar. Let's start. Choose any face. My gear is this and I forgot my lines. For this video, some suggested emo tests for our avatar we're about to make. Buy this high. Preppy purple shirt for vacation. Preppy summer classic shirt for school holidays and
Purple
Easter.
preppy
Pants for both. If you want Miss Santa plushie, buy this instead. Here's Moody's. What she looks like on me. You can get Moody's pizza if you think it fits you, her. Waves for you. Hope you enjoy your Teuton weekend, bless God. And fill your heart with loveless and can also thank God for giving you a special heart. He loves you, so... Bye guys and Happy Easter!